So now I'm going to solve the problem using some pictures because I won't always have these bears to solve my problem. So if I just look back at my problem again, it says Carly has 37 stuffed animals and wants to put them in groups of 5. How many full groups of 5 will she make? How many will not be in a group? So when I worked with the bears, I first got 37 bears. But if I'm drawing a picture, I don't think I want to start by drawing 37 animals or 37 shapes, because then I'll have to redraw them. So I think what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to start by drawing them in groups of 5, and that puts me one step closer to my answer, and I won't have too many shapes or too many drawings on my paper. And because I'm not very good at drawing stuffed animals or bears, I'm just going to use a circle to represent each animal. So now I have one circle, and I'm going to put 4 more together so I can make one group of 5, and then I will keep going until I've reached 37. So there's 5, and that's one group. There's another 5, so I have 2 groups of 5 so far, and if I count by my 5s, I go 5, 10. I see that I've only drawn 10 circles to represent 10 of the stuffed animals, so I need to keep going. Okay, I drew another group of 5, 5, 10, 15. I need to keep going. 5, 10, 15, 20. Keep going. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Still not at 37, so we'll add another group of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Almost there, but I'll keep going. I'll add another group of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I see now that I drew 35 circles, which represents 35 stuffed animals. Now, if I add another group of 5, that's going to take me to 40. And 40 is more than 37, so I don't want to add a whole group of 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add individual circles until I get up to 37. So I know that I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 so far. So I'll add another one, and I'll get 36 and 37. So I drew my 37 circles to represent my 37 stuffed animals, and I can check again just to make sure that I got them all. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So now I have them divided into groups. I want to go back to the problem and answer the question. The first question says, how many full groups of 5 will she make? Well, let's count our groups and see how many we made. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. And this one's not a full group, so I can't count it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 groups of 5. And if you remember, that's what we got when we counted with the bears. So now let's look at the second question. How many will not be in a group? Well, we already counted all of these that were in a group, so we just have these ones left over. And if we look, we have 1, 2 circles not in a group. So 2 animals not in a group. And that's how I would answer this question, where I have to take 37 total stuffed animals and divide them into groups of 5.